So about 6 years ago, I made my first snowboard, and I've made a lot of them ever since, but I just wanted to make this little video about my first build. Started with a core that was already tapered. It's just straight poplar, simple core. Built my own little mold. It's terrible, but I made it work as a clamshell style. And this, I don't know, I think I bailed on this because it was horrible. But it was a lot of trial and error. And I put everything together in my living room and backyard. I was edging the base out after I cut it out. I don't remember how or where I did it, but yeah, edges attached. Now I'm trying to match the sidewalls with taper. Pretty much ruined the core, but again, made it work. And as you can see here, it's lined up nicely. The graphics, I was using newspaper or magazine clippings. And this is great because I built a fire underneath that whole press to help it cure because it was cold in November and I couldn't do it inside. And it actually worked. There's the board as it came out. By no means near decent, but it was actually rideable. The whole core shifted back inside in the press, so it got messed up. Anyways, it's enough that I could mount my bindings, and this is me questioning it. So here's the goofing around I did. Learn how this thing rides. As weird as could be, but you know what? It's pretty fun for what it was. Anyways, enjoy these few little clips.
I can do a big move.